From wires. Okay. Oh shit, that's big buddy. Uh, so hard to make costume. So for the sake of Halloween and me costume, which is a brown astronaut from Among Us, everything's going to be Among Us team. So the Skeld, an 80,000 kilogram spaceship, is at rest in deep space. Its thrusters provide a force of 1,200 kilonewtons. The Skeld fires its thrusters for 20 seconds, then coasts for 12 kilometers. How long does it take the Skeld to coast this distance? So we are looking for the distance of the Skeld as a thrust for 20 seconds. So So we have to use this kinematic equation to find the distance, which is final position equals this conglomeration. But then in this conglomeration, we do not have acceleration. So in order to do that, we need another equation. Two unknowns requires two equations. And this we use, but to get acceleration, we use Newton's second law, which basically says, look, use the mass times acceleration. Well, anyways, we're looking for acceleration, so just divide force by mass, and then you get acceleration. So we have that the force is 80,000. No, that's the mass, JK. And then the force is 1,200,000. So 1,200,000 divided by 80,000 is actually 15 meters per second squared. Yada yada yada, Raven. Just plug in the numbers. But anyways, the spaceship's at rest initially, so the initial velocity and the initial position will be zero. So these two can off. So as you can see, we have acceleration at 20, but this is times squared, so 20 squared is 400, 400 times 15 is 6,000. 6,000 divided by 2 is 3,000, so the final position after the thruster is either 3 kilometers, if you want, or if you want to sim for the SI units, it's 3,000 meters, and there you go. So the lights are out. Before I go back to electrical to fix the lights, we need to find how long it takes for the plane to coast the 12 kilometers after the thrusting of the 3 kilometers. So in order to do that, we need an equation for time, which is time two equals distance two divided by velocity two. Distance two is just the 12 kilometers minus the 3 kilometers, so it's just 9,000 meters. Just to sim for the SI units. But we don't have V2, so in order to do that, we have to get another equation for two unknowns. So in order to do that, we need to plug in some numbers. So for the sake of the costume, V1 is since V1 is just zero, we can just vote it out. And anyways, a, we already have A, or acceleration, which is 15 meters per second squared, and then we have T1, which is a given, and it's 20 seconds. 15 times 20 is 300, so that's V2. V2 is 300. So now we can find T2. So we can just cancel out the common zeros, and then we get 90 divided by 3, and that's just 30. So anyways, we add T1 to T2 to get the total time for the scale to coast the distance. Um, so we get T1, which is 20, plus T2, which we calculated earlier as 30. And then we no, and then we add the two, and then we get 50 seconds, and that's your answer. Now, if you will excuse me, I need to take part in this election and vote Orange out. And then after that, win the game as imposter.